Hello and welcome to my first book review, although strictly speaking it's not a review as such, as I've just received this book for my birthday, but nonetheless I thought I would just put some information out about a book that really looks exciting to get into in a big way and enjoy recipes, etc. This is a guy called Dale Pinnock, the medicinal chef, who I first heard about on Dr. Rangan Chatterjee's podcast Feel Better, Live More, and thought I would look into a bit more, and then surprise, surprise, I received the book for my birthday 2 weeks ago. It's called The Power of Three. And you can see from the title here, it's the 3 nutritional secrets for a longer, healthier life. Now, I haven't read the whole of the book. I've only really just begun to look through at the pictures here, but it looks quite interesting. It has a number of sections to it, but the most important really, and there's the title page, and if I can just turn up this one here, which is showing the interaction between the 3 areas that he talks about, which is the blood sugar balance, the fatty acid balance, and nutrient density. And that's all I'm going to say at this stage, as I haven't really read the book yet. But if I can just quickly flick through some of the recipes here, they vary an awful lot. As usual with cookery books, we have a great photographer who has produced tantalizing photographs of recipes that Dale Pinnock has actually devised in order to meet those categories that he talked about of sugar balance, fatty acid balance, and nutrient density. So without further ado, I'll just quickly flick through and come back again at some stage to tell you what I think of the book itself. Bye for now.